Thanks, Hannah, for creating a racetrack.
They say if you take the first letter of your hair color, the second letter of your first pet, the fifth letter of your age, the sixth letter of the month you were born in, the second letter of your eye color, that's your alter ego.
Butter.
In my head, I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, "Marry me, Juliet, you never have to be alone. I love you and that's all."
I do not get how people can like just flex their money. If I had money, I wouldn't want people knowing, because then they would have been like, "Hey, can you pretend?" Like, bitch, I'm broke. I'm broke. Well, right now I actually am broke, but like if I had money, you know.
It all started when my mom met my dad, fell in love, and had me. But then I became unnecessarily tall. Now I can't fit through doors, fit in showers, and had to buy an extra long bed. Hi, I'm Alex, and my life is kind of crazy.
In my head, I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring. He said, "Marry me, Juliet, you'll never have to be alone. I love you."
Hi, sweetie, come on in. How are you doing today? Yeah, I heard about your grandma. I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's a really, it's a rough way to go. Yeah. I can really relate. My dog died of cancer last year, so I understand the pain you're going through. Did your parents figure out like the will situation? Are you getting any money?
It just pisses me off because you ask me, what do you want for your birthday, Dad? What do you want for your birthday? And I tell you, I want Gucci sandals. I want a cool belt. I want some cool jeans. And what do I get? I get fucking nothing for my birthday from you. I got a card that you made with some crayons because you were babysitting the other day and you had some crayons in your car. Bullshit. It's bullshit.
Dad, I'm on unemployment.
You charged $900 to Ulta the other day for all this makeup and these...
Looking for LED lighting? Get the premium color changing lights for your room. Only at Stardust LEDs. Use the code below and get 10% off your order today.
Oh, good. Is the car done? Yeah, we changed the oil, but we found a couple things wrong with it. Oh, really? Yeah, you see, you're out of headlight fluid. If you look right here, the plastic's got some rust. Brake calipers need to be recaliped. Got a nail in the spare tire. The antenna's not sparking. Your steering wheel bracket is off. Metal tow hooks are melting. It's gonna run you about 17 grand. Okay. Can I take a look? Look at what? The car? Yeah, go ahead. Whoa. What are you unhooking there? The hood. Okay. What happened? You unclasped two hoses. My power steering pump hose and my water pump hose. Why? Oh yeah, we saw that too. That's a problem. You also got a problem with the battery. Yeah, cables are just... Yeah, unplugged. You didn't even change the oil. The old filter's still in there.
There's a cute boy! Ma'am, I'm sorry, but can you give this to the boy that's working inside? I'm sorry. Thank you.
The blonde boy, Wesley?
Maybe he's wearing a white hat.
White hat?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go for it.
Thank you. She's perfect. What just happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
Tell them.
So this girl comes up to the window and says, "Excuse me, were you the girls that gave Wesley, or aka the boy, his name, Wesley?" And no, and we're like, "Yeah," and she said, "That's my boyfriend." Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Oh my god!
Like for an update.
Nah, because it's the 4 eyes for me.
No, because it's the rabbit teeth for me. It's the depression for me. It's the almost failing senior year for me. It's the greasy hair for me. It's the low self-esteem for me.
What? I don't want my daughter dating something like that. That's commitment right now. I wouldn't even put on a dress for your mama. Dang.
I need a bad bleep. Addison Rae. Well, Shawty the baddest, and she's got her ways. So obviously these words are very heartfelt to me because I'm Addison Rae. Can you even hear it? Oh, it comes after? Yeah. It's everywhere. I'm Addison Rae. Look at Lorna.
One time me and my friends snuck out of the house at night and we went to McDonald's. The employee was asking where our dad was. We didn't know what to say, so we just said he was waiting in the car. Then this big muscly guy walked in and the employee asked if he was our dad, and for some reason we said yes. Even though we had no clue who he was, the guy paid for our food. We thanked the man and left, but then he followed us out of the restaurant and told us if we didn't come with him he would stab us. We were scared, so we just did what he said. We were in the back seat of his truck and we were freaking out. But my friend found a glass bottle in the back seat and smashed it over the man's head. The man fainted and we saw he had a pocket knife on his dashboard, so we took it and stabbed him in the arm a few times. We got out of the car and ran back to my friend's house. To this day we haven't told the police and we don't know if the man died. Thank you for your submission.
Okay, new trend. Ask your brother to put your hair in a ponytail and see how well they do. Okay, we're going for an easy low pony.
What is a low pony? Okay. What? Oh.
I could be talking about my mama dying, and then this y'all in the comments. First. What did you first to? The funeral?
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
So I've been waiting for this question. What's up with this ceiling? That one's white, but it's weird because I kind of live in a rock. So that's why the ceiling's like that. They blow holes into the rock and build houses in them.
So then when it came to the plastic or the ones made out of wood, I went with the ones that were purple with the pink dots.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it was hard because I was like, do I go with the slides? Do I go with the Eiffel Tower? In the end, the choice was clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So people ask me all the time, like, do you like bears? Do you like dogs? I personally like Forever 21.
Mhm.
Mhm. So yeah, it's the choice is clear. Did you like the blue one better, or did you like the sapphire?
Yeah.
Yeah. My favorite sport is drinking orange juice.
Mhm.
Mhm. Okay. This is I'm gonna head to Italy.
This message lasts 2 minutes.
This is for Rachel, you big, fat, white, nasty, smelling, fat bitch. Why you took me off the motherfucking schedule with your trifling, dirty, white, racist ass, big, fat bitch.
Conversion therapy.
So I think we should start a trend where we send our significant other a picture of us severely botched in Facetune and see if they're honest with us and tell us that we look stupid. Obviously, this is not what my body looks like. I do not look like that whatsoever. You saw what I originally looked like. But I decided to send it to him and see if he would say anything and, not let me post something that I look stupid in. So I went ahead and, edited the crap out of it. I made sure everything was white. I made sure I looked, bright orange by the end. I made sure the walls were super curved. I did everything I could to make this look literally as botched as possible. And then I went ahead and went into Visco. This is a finished product, by the way, off of Facetune. But I went into Visco, added some filters and stuff, made sure it looked like I was actually like trying to look good in this, like I was trying to cover up a lot of stuff. So I went ahead, added Visco, put a bunch of filters on it, and this is what he freaking said. He didn't even freaking tell me not to.
Welcome everyone, welcome. Put on your seatbelts. We are going to be going on a journey. Gonna pick up some cookies. Put your seatbelt on, Brittany. Sir in the gray Mazda, please get out of the way. I am making a left. Thank you.
Not the thermometer, not the thermometer, not the thermometer, bitch, it's so nice.
Petrol station and get 5 cents petrol. Look, we'll try, okay? We'll try. 10 cents. That's close enough. Hey, just number whatever the blue RAV4 is. Didn't I put 10 cents in? There's nothing there. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure something. There's nothing, it's blank.
Ah, so what, I get 15 cents for free?
It's not here. Thank you so much for coming.
Oh, mate, bargain. We did that. Not you, not me, we.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Today we're going to be reenacting things I heard at the pool today from kids.
Hey, Mrs., I'm playing mermaid with my friend.
Oh, that's cool. I loved playing mermaid when I was a kid.
What's your name?
I'm Tay. What's yours?
I'm Melanie. My brother has diabetes.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, my mom made me eat a low-carb cake because we had low-carb birthday cake for him. It tasted bad.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Scenario 2.
Man, I really have to pee. Do you have a bathroom?
Yeah, it's just through that door over there. You got it. Doesn't get out of the pool. Hey, I know you said you had to go to the bathroom. Do you have to go to the bathroom?
No, I'm gonna pee in the pool.